safety, please familiarise yourself with the installation procedure before you begin. Check your delivery. Do you have the right doors? Has the packaging been damaged? Once signed for, no compensation to make a claim can be made. When you have inspected the inner packaging and are happy that everything is in order, sign off on the delivery and begin to prepare the installation. If your order contains more than one door set, you can identify each door using the label on the inner packaging. Measure the door laying down on the pallet and again once the door is rested up against the wall. When you have carefully removed the inner packaging, you are ready to measure the actual size of the door with the frame. If you are replacing an existing door, we recommend you check the structural opening and overframe size of your existing door against the overframe size of your new door. Measure the aperture that the door set is going into. On a new install, check the door size against the aperture that the door will eventually occupy. Remove the fixing kit and installation guide sheet from the frame packaging. It contains QR codes for your easy access to the operation and maintenance manuals. You will also find the door seals in the door frame. The door will be supplied flat packed. To start assembling your door with removable overpanel, you will need to build the frame. We suggest building the frame of the door surfaces with wooden barriers. You will be supplied with a hinge jamb, strike jamb, removable mullion and threshold if requested. Assemble your hinge jamb, head jamb, strike jamb and threshold. Then add your mullion into the brackets already fitted on the jambs. Secure the mullion in place with the fixing supplied. Check the adjuster screws are flush with the edge of the frame. Put the side expanders back on the frame, making sure that it is aligned. Insert the complete frame into the opening. Offer your frame into the structural opening. Adjust your expander bolts out so the frame holds itself in the structure, but not all the expander bolts, just enough to hold it in place. Check with the spirit level that your hinge jamb is aligned. Ensure the hinge jamb is in plumb and adjust accordingly. When the frame is in position, begin at the hinge jamb and drill through the adjuster bolts into the surrounding structure. Take care not to damage the adjusters. We suggest fixing only the top adjuster hinge jamb rebate side at this stage. Check with the spirit level that the jamb is still plumb and place the second fixing at the rebate in the bottom of the hinge jamb. Now that the hinge side is secure to the fixings, you can reattach the door to the frame. We recommend that this is a two-person job. Close the door leaf into the strike jamb and if necessary manipulate the strike jamb to meet the door leaf, ensuring the astragal is in plumb on the strike jamb. Add one fixing to the top strike jamb with the door closed. Check the adjuster and add fixing. Ensure the door leaf is still plumb on the strike jamb after adding the firm fixing. Then add further fixings at the bottom of the strike jamb. Check the operation of all door furniture, being careful not to damage them. Drill through the remaining adjuster bolts and add fixings. This will include the extra fixings in the head jamb. Check that the door opens and closes easily. Attach the seal supplied, ensuring you follow the fitting instructions provided. When fully satisfied that your door is fully operational, add your top panel, secure with the fixings provided. Fix the cover panel to the back of your mullion with the fixings supplied. Recheck the door is fully operational with no binding, adjust at the adjuster bolts if necessary.